Look what I just got in the mail. You want to say hi to the camera?
Okay.
Ooh.
Mommy.
Say hi, camera. I just got this in the mail. And guess what it is? My copies of Crones. I need something sharp. Hold on 1 second. Scissors. Scissors are sharp.
What are you doing?
I'm opening my box, Mama.
Open yours?
Yes. You know how Auntie's been working on stuff? Been working on her books? This is it.
A brush?
Yep. Hold on 1 second. You're gonna help me open it? There we go. Okay. Ordered more copies of Queen of Lost Souls, which looks really good. But what I'm really looking for it came in the mail. This is Crones.
This is mine.
It's not yours. These are mine. Thank you. Crones came in the mail. It looks really good. You okay, Mama?
Okay.
Okay. This is probably the thickest book that I have. It's even thicker than Queen of Lost Souls. Well, it's about the same. It's a little bit thicker than Queen of Lost Souls. I think I have to do a few edits to the cover. I have to do a few adjustments with the spine because there's looks like a little bit extra space to me, so I'll talk to my cover designer about that. And other than that, it looks really good. And everything on the inside, I've been working really hard on this book, so this is looking good. I think on the inside, I may change the margins just a bit. Thank you, Malia. Thank you. Look, Mama. Actually, yeah, I think I might move the margins over just a little bit. Other than that, it looks good.
Okay.
Yes, baby.
Okay.
How exciting! Huh?
Okay.
You want what?
Okay.
You want can?
Okay.
I don't know what you're saying, Mama.